to give a special thanks to Zuru Mini Brands for sending this to us as a gift for free. What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my Miniverse. Before we get started today, I want to fix that nightstand. I saw this online at Target. I thought maybe we could pull this apart and get a similar vibe. We already did the two-tone look with the TV stand using foam board and our printable wood in this video. Plus, I wanted it a little wider anyway, so let's just see if we can remove the feet. There we go. Let's also remove the bottom two drawers. Cut scraps of foam board. Mine are 1 3/4 inches wide. Then I cut them to go around the cap. I cover them with wood paper. Then I glue the plastic cap to a 3.5 inch board. I add a shorter one underneath to close off the opening, even though it's not on the inspo. We're taking a few artistic liberties, and I'm gonna add another shelf. Mine's a 1/2 inch from the bottom. Add the other side, then a piece on top. To make a new nightstand using only one bottle top with usable storage underneath. And when I get another cap, I can make another one for the other side. Now we can check that off the to-do list. And check out more Kawaii mini brands. Zuru Mini Brands sent us a box. I'm excited to see if there are more minis that will fit our 1/6 scale world. So let's open one and find out. I've seen these at Target for $7.99. That's where we found them for our first video. This one right here, where we learned that some were a good size for 1/6 scale and some not so much. We get a sticker, collector's guide, showing us all the available minis. The house mouse mac and cheese looks perfect. We already know that the bento box fits, and the poodle in my noodles looks kind of adorable. Each capsule also comes with slime. I personally would love to see the slime replaced with another mini. There's a large pink bag that counts as an accessory on the collector's guide. Inside the bag, we find more bags. I have a total of 4, with one containing a miniature magnifying glass. In the next bag, we have another bunny bento box. It opens, and there are removable chopsticks inside. This one is going in the 1/6 scale pile. In the next bag, we find McCutie French fries, and this one moves. I think it's a little large for our 1/6 scale dolls, but it's not too bad with a smart doll. And in the last bag, we find popcorn. It comes with a paper ticket, and if we turn it around, it totally works with the dolls. So out of our first capsule, we got 2 usable minis. The search continues with our second capsule, which contains the usuals: a collector's guide, slime, a sticker, a bag of bags, a magnifying glass, and 3 Kawaii mini brands, where our first one is Snow Bunny's Cute Scoops Ice Cream. This one does move, but it's too large for the dolls. And then we have Pixie Dust Donuts, which we got before, and we know it's too large for our 1/6 scale dolls. Hopefully this last one is a good size. And we have Juicy Goose Orange Juice. No! But it's perfect for smart dolls. I didn't get any 1/6 scale minis in that capsule, but in the comments on our last video, some of you said that we should add this to our toy store. And you're right, this totally looks like it could be a toy on a shelf. Let's find more minis. This is our third capsule. We got a pink flamingo sticker, a magnifying glass, and 3 mystery minis. I do wish we got 5 minis, but that's just me. We got pink flamingo nail polish that looks like it's spilling out. Kinda looks like a lamp. Then, in the next bag, we find... Oh, seriously, the donut again. I mean, another donut. In the last bag for this capsule, please let it fit 1/6 scale. We got the McCutie Kitten Nuggets. Okay, Oh, like dino nuggets, kitten nuggets. Yeah, my mind was going somewhere else. Please don't eat them. They just want to be your friends. Love all the little things on the packaging. It's super cute. I do think this one is a little overscale, but I'll probably do it anyway. So we got one mini out of that capsule. Capsule number 4 gives us a Pupsy soda sticker, magnifying glass, and 3 mini brands. In the first bag, we get Kitten Mitten cookies. We've gotten this one before, and I'm gonna say, yeah, let's use it. The box has a tail, and the cookies themselves are an okay size with our 1/6 scale dolls. In the second bag, we find a double. It's the French fries again. Since they're McCuties, they do match the kitten nuggets, but I still think they're a little large. And the last one for this bag is... yay! A box of Rainbow Magic Unicorn Flakes. This totally looks like it could be doll-sized. The box has a unique shape. It is finished all the way around. And yeah, I think it totally works. Capsule number 5. We were sent 6 capsules, and we are opening all 6. Here's the sticker and the bag of bags, the magnifying glass, and 3 minis. I would love to get the pizza, but instead, we got the bunny again. Do you think we can remove that bunny? That one is not 1/6 scale, and this one is a double McCuties kitten nuggets. I'll take it. And the last one is a bowl of ramen. Now this one is a double for me, and even though it's a little large, I can totally use this as a large bowl of ramen for the dolls, with a cute little surprise inside. Bringing us to our last capsule. At $7.99, it feels like we're getting 3 minis. So in my mind, I'm paying about $2.66 each, with a sticker, slime, plastic bag of bags, and a magnifying glass thrown in. I'm hoping the rest of these minis fit our 1/6 scale world. We got Meow Milk, which we already know is a little too large, but it does have liquid inside that moves. Here it is next to the Unicorn Flakes, and yeah, I think it's too large. We only have 2 left, and this one is... yay! A bag of Pug-tato chips. Now this is a double for me, which I am happy about because I opened my first bag and saw that there were tiny little Pug-tato chips inside. So now that I have a double, I have one that's closed and one that's opened. And we're down to just 1 bag. I really want to see the pizza. And this is... the pizza! We have a pizza box and a heart-shaped pizza. It says Valentino's Pizza Love, 1-300 Love, and it is finished on the back, and it can open as well, and it's finished on the inside. Here's the pizza. It's kind of a pink salmon color. Here's the back. The slice does look like it's being lifted up, and that can be kind of cute in doll photos. I think this pizza is totally doll-sized. It fits in the box, however, I can't really close the lid. So out of 6 Kawaii mini brands with 18 surprise minis, here are all of the minis that I can use in my 1/6 scale world. We got pizza, kitty nuggets, cereal, popcorn, Pug-tato chips, ramen, a bento box, cookies, and more kitty nuggets, which is half. I wonder if we can repurpose some of the other minis. Earlier, I wanted to know if we could remove the little bunny head. It's not an easy thing to do, but I can see a screw in there, so let's see if we can unscrew that. That did nothing. What if we removed the stickers? Now it kind of looks like a pot for a plant. So let's paint it. I'm using a terracotta color. It looks like a bunny coming out of a flower pot. Let's paint the bunny green. I'm blending together a grass green and olive green acrylic paint. Add a couple of spots, repaint the eyes. I trim a tiny bit of doll hair, add glue to the spots, sprinkle on the doll hair to look like needles on a bunny ear cactus for some kawaii home decor. And we can just turn it around if you don't want to see the face. And there you go. I think we can still push it into the pot. Yeah, but it's not really staying, so don't remove the screws if you want to keep that function. And now this mini can totally be used in the dollhouse. I think it is so much fun to customize our doubles and make new minis. And this one can fit on our new nightstand. Thank you for joining us while we checked out Kawaii Mini Brands and looked for ones that will fit our 1/6 scale world. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Fanbase, Instagram, and YouTube at MyFroggyStuff and Bella of MyFroggyStuff on Instagram. And we will see you next time. Bye!